Hey guys, I'm Abil back again with another video. This time let's compare the video recording samples of this Pixel 4a and the Samsung M51. This portion of this video is being recorded using the front camera of M51 and it is totally indoor condition, totally indoor artificial lighting. Okay, and after this I'll be switching to outdoor. Now we'll see that which one is having better video recording capabilities, the raw samples in this video. Now on paper, the Samsung M51 comes with 32 megapixel front camera. On the back it has a 64 megapixel quad camera setup. Whereas this tiny phone, this Pixel 4a, has only just 8 megapixel front camera and 12 megapixel rear camera. That's it. So on paper, Samsung M51 is the clear winner. Now we'll see that which one is doing better in real life, samples. Now let's start with the focus. Okay, let me show that. We'll see that how good it is. Now here it is. Yeah, so it comes with fixed focus, you can see that. Okay, so we'll be doing the same thing on this Pixel 4a. Now this portion is M51, so the focus is not that good. Okay, so let's switch to Pixel 4a and you let me know which one is your pick and the reasons in the comments. I'm not using any external mic, so the sound capture you can also judge. Okay, so let's switch to this Pixel 4a now. So now this part is being recorded using the front camera of this Pixel 4a. Now you let me know how is the difference. Is there any significant difference? 32 megapixel compared to 8 megapixel. So I can see that this Pixel 4a crops the video a bit. So you let me know your opinions in the comments. Now let's do this focus test. Okay, Samsung M51 was not that good. Here again you can see that it also struggles. Okay, and you can see that the light shifting is visible here, okay, on this Pixel 4a. So I can say that overall this Samsung M51 has a better front camera when it comes to indoor video recording. You let me know your opinions in the comments, and also the sound capture you judge and tell me which one is your pick. Okay, so now let's switch to outdoor. And before we switch to outdoor front camera and the rear camera samples, here is one quick slow motion samples side by side for you guys. So guys, let's start with this Google Pixel 4a. This is the front camera and it can record up to 1080p videos. Let me show you the dynamic range here. And I'm not using any gimbal, I'm not using any external mics, so you can check the the sound capture as well as the stabilization. I'm working faster now so that you can check the stabilization, and it is looking good, very natural what I can see on the screen. Dynamic range you can see. Okay, and this is how it is looking, and I think yeah, it's good. Okay, so we'll be doing the same thing on Samsung M51 to do the comparison. Let me show you the dynamic range, the color shifting here. Okay, so you let me know which one is doing better in terms of color reproduction, stabilization, and the color shifting, and particularly the sound capture as well. Let me know in the comments. So guys, now this is from the front camera of Samsung M51. The very first thing that you will observe is that it has a bit wider angle. So you get a wider view here. So yeah, otherwise it is also doing good according to me. Yes, the dynamic range, according to me, it was a bit better on the Pixel 4a, but you let me know. Yeah, the white balance is not that good on this one according to me, and the background, the color reproduction is also good. Yeah, you let me know. I'm working faster now so that you can check the stabilization and the sound capture as well. Okay, let me show you the dynamic range again. Yeah, the color shifting, you let me know, yeah, which one is doing better. According to me it is also good. Yeah, the dynamic range, the sound capture as well. As I said, I'm not using any external mic, so you let me know, yeah, which one is better. Okay, in the comments. So guys, here is a rear camera sample from the Pixel 4a. To do a fair comparison, what I have done, I have kept the resolution at 1080p. Both can record up to 4K, but the stabilization can't be checked actually at 1080p better way. So what I have done, I will be doing the same thing on Samsung M51 as well. And Samsung M51 comes with super steady mode, and this one 4A comes with OIS. So we'll see that which one is better. Now let's check the yes, the color shifting is looking good. Let's work faster to check the stabilization. OIS always does better in terms of stabilization. So here is the dynamic range, you can see. Yeah, and as I told you, I'm not using any gimbal, so we can check the raw stabilization and the dynamic range as well. Okay, yeah, it is doing good. Now let's check the focus, quick focus here. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, yes, it is doing good. The quick focus is really good. Yeah, now let's do the same thing on Samsung M51. So guys, now this is from the Samsung M51. What I have done, I have turned on the super steady mode. As I said, like 4A comes with OIS, and this one is having this super steady mode from Samsung. Okay, so let's work faster to check the stabilization. Now let's do this color shifting again. So you can see that this super steady mode is good, but if you try to move the camera quickly, then it looks a bit artificial. Okay, otherwise it is also doing good. Okay, the dynamic range, let me show you this. Yeah, so it is also good. Now let's work faster. Now as I told you, both are at 1080p to check the stabilization better. Now I'm working faster. Okay, so it is also doing good. You let me know in the comments, according to you, which one is doing better. And the super steady mode is also good, yeah, it is good. There, the dynamic range. Now let's check the same thing, the focus here. Yeah, it is also good. Yeah, but as I told you, it looks a bit artificial because it is actually artificial, the super steady mode. So, but yes, it is also doing good. So you let me know in the comments which one is doing better. And to watch more raw samples like this, don't forget to subscribe guys, and cheers guys, till the next video.